Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Olga if you're new here. As you may notice, I love using ropes in my projects. So today I'm going to share with you how I made boho style basket with lids. I'm super excited of how it turned out and I think it looks very pretty and high-end. What I love about this project is that except of the basket, it can be used as a planter pot or even light pendant. However, for light pendant you will need to add more beads in between to make it brighter. And the lid can be used as a wall hanging decor. I really hope you will enjoy this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Also leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like this video and what would you do differently. With all that being said, let's jump right into our project. First, I'm going to make a base for my basket. I took round board, they come 6 pieces in a package, and body measurement tape. The board that I use is 10-inch diameter. I marked 1 inch apart through the circle and then 5 mm from the edges for each point. To make the holes, I used drill with 3 mm drill bit. In total, I have 31 holes. Then I'm sanding the holes on both sides. Once I'm done with the holes, I took 31 skewers, 30 cm each, and placed them in the holes. Then I took Mod Podge and glued each skewer to the base. I took a sisal rope to weave the basket. I weave it in a way so that the rope comes once in front of the skewer and once behind the skewer. As you can see, the skewers are not stable yet and are not staying straight, but in a few rounds they will stabilize. Try to place the rope in a way that the skewer does not tend too much to the side. Here I place the end of the rope inside, but I will cut it at the end. Second layer I'm doing in the same way, but as the number of skewers is not even, the rope for the first skewer will be behind it and for the second skewer it will be in front. That way the skewers will be covered by the rope and it creates a beautiful pattern and also straighten the skewers. By the way, all the products and measurements you can find in the description box below. And here I'm showing the size of the rope that I use. It is 3/8 inch by 50 feet. I continued with the same pattern until my rope is ended. Make sure that your start point and end point will be on the same skewer, so it will give the basket a neat look. I'm gluing the end of the rope with hot glue. Here I ended up with 17 rows. Next, I'm adding 16mm beads to each skewer. Then I took a new package of the same rope and started to weave the rope from the start point according to the pattern. And here I ended up with 13 rows. I'm almost at the end of the second package, so before continuing I decided to add another row of beads. This time it's 14mm beads. Now I'm going to continue with the rope, but this time I'm not going to cut the rope as I thought it won't be noticed too much. Of course, you can cut the rope and continue according to the pattern from the start point. Now when the second package of the rope ended, I took leftover rope, but this time the rope contains 2 twisted ropes and not 3. I'm gluing the connection from inside the basket and continuing with the same pattern. If you have the same rope, go ahead and use the same size for the entire basket. When I got almost to the end, I started to glue the rope to the skewers while keeping the same pattern. And for the last row, I'm gluing the rope on the top to make sure I don't have any sharp edges of the skewers that sticks out. I ended up with 12 rows. Now, when my basket is done, I'm going to do the lid. I didn't want to use another board, so I decided to make it from cardboard. I used the board for the circle and then cut the cardboard a little bit smaller than I marked. Once I'm done with the circle, I started with making the handle for the lid. I took a macrame cord and wrapped it around nail box, as it was perfect for the size that I need. To tie the tassel, I'm using sisal twine. And I string 3 beads, 12mm each. I wrap the tassel and tie with the same sisal twine. Next, I cut the ends of the cords and twist them and brush them with pet brush. And the final step for this tassel is to align the ends with scissors. Then I'm gluing the tassel to the cardboard, as it will be my handle. To make it high-end looking lid, I wrap the cardboard with burlap fabric. My cardboard diameter is about 23 centimeters. 20 inch was marked for the previous circle, before cutting the cardboard. Then I started to glue the rope that was left over from the basket around the tassel. I go over the edges of the cardboard with rope. As the rope ended and I had to add more, I add a smaller size of the rope that was left over from my previous project. If you haven't seen this project, I will link it in the description box. I had to add 2 more rows with smaller size of the rope. Also, I decided to cover the edges of the board with the same smaller size of the rope. The basket actually turned out pretty strong, but still not strong enough for heavy items. So if you want to lift it, you need to take it from the base. So this is how the basket turned out. I was thinking to add handles to the basket and make it more stronger, but it's already a long video, so I thought if I will be doing that, I will show you the second part of this project. Let me know in the comments below if you like this basket and if I should add the handles to the basket. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on our next DIY adventure. Bye!